everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on Organ Donation Day. Organ Donation Day is celebrated on August 13th. It's a day to learn about giving organs to help others. Organs like the heart, kidneys, and liver can be donated. Donating organs can save many lives. People who are very weak can get better with donated organs. Anyone can sign up to be an organ donor. Talking with family about organ donation is important. Donors are heroes because they give the gift of life. This day helps us understand how we can help others even after we are gone. Organ Donation Day teaches us about kindness and sharing. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.